大家好，今天这节课我们要学习说、告诉。In this lesson, we are gonna learn about 说 and 告诉。The word 告诉 and the word 说 in many situations can be roughly translated as tell and say respectively. For example, 告诉我 tell me. 他说很好 he said very good. In this lesson, we will learn not just the meanings about say and tell, but some meanings in some other situations. 我们开始吧 Let's get started. 说，他说我需要休息。他说他需要休息。These two sentences have the same meaning. The difference is if you use quotation marks. 他说过这件事。给我说说你的计划。The grammatical structure of 说 someone plus 说 plus the information you want to give. 告诉，他告诉我他知道这个秘密。他告诉我了一个秘密。The grammatical structure of 告诉，告诉 plus someone plus the information. About saying something to someone or telling someone something, we can't say 我说他 plus information. We can say 我对他说 plus information or 我跟他说 plus information. 我告诉他 plus information. For example, 我对他说我很感谢他的帮助。我跟他说我很感谢他的帮助。我告诉他我很感谢他的帮助。These three sentences have the same meaning. So the structure 对 or 跟 plus someone plus 说 almost equal the structure 告诉 plus someone. The mistakes you might make. For example, the sentence, he told me one thing. 他告诉我一件事 correct. 他说我一件事 is incorrect. 他跟我说了一件事 correct. 他对我说了一件事 correct. 今天我们就上到这里 That's all for today. If you have any question, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment below. I will see you in the next one. 再见。